dare jump.
My twin! Do not nick my twin.
You are mad us. Get over there.
I can't really kick it.
Get up!
Please.
Don't even dare you.
Why are
Why?
And now? Hello, Chloe. Hi.
Okay, Crystal. Jump it.
I can't stay.
This isn't going to end well.
Anyone there?
You dare you.
No.
Oh, come on. Oh, well.
Hello?
I can feel the fire. That's mine, you idiot.
It was in the wrong area.
That's recording.
Okay.
Chloe likes dolls.
Sorry. Me too. Where's my twin? Oh, look, man.
Give me my twin.
Sorry, I
Someone record now.
will.
Oh, I hate
Oh,
you.
what's that?
Hold on, see, Chloe.
Yeah?
Look at me. Look at me.
I'm
Stand up. Stand up! Please.
Yes.
Do you think Sinead got sexy legs?
Ethan!
Who cares? I'm not a lesbian. I'm just putting her out. There you go.
Hey.
Right!
Right. Ready? 1, 2.
I think I should turn around because you could see the butt.
1.
Hello? It's on your head. Do not
Oh.
fall. It's balancing on your head.
Take it off her head. Ready?
Go there.
1,
Not to me!
1, 2, 3. Hello. Hello.
You take it. Don't you dare sit on me.
Oh, that purse.
Don't worry, I'm not going to break it.
That's the
sit on me.
That's the purse I used at the wedding.
Don't my wedding.
No,
Ooh,
my auntie
Don't
Fiona.
sit on me
and my
with
grandma.
everything do.
Party time.
Which one of you is going to sit on me? Not me. Good.
You say
would.
don't sit on me when I do. Don't record me, please. Hiya. And now we'll turn our attention
To Chloe.
Get up!
Say hi.
Hey guys.
Oh,
I didn't done nothing. See, it's still fixed. You've got a big head, by the way. No, that's a bit loose. Let's see. That's better.
Chloe boy. Okay, that's all for now. Ta-ra. Chloe. Say ta-ra. Oh, and I had that recording. Say bye. Say bye.
Hello? I'm so sorry.
Bye.
You're back.
I'll get